Okay, let's find the missing angle measures. There are 4. I have 2 parallel lines. I'm going to mark those as parallel. I have, let's see, a lot of vertical angles. That's vertical to that. That's vertical to that. Too many to mark. This is vertical to this, and so on. A lot of vertical angles here. Where should we get started? Oh, well, how about right here? 129 degrees, because those are vertical. Notice that angle right there is congruent to that angle right there. We can write a 71 in here right now. I know it's not what we're looking for, but it might turn out to be useful. In fact, it might turn out to be useful right away. Look at this. These 3 angles form a line, a straight angle. So those 3 angles, why don't we call this x? So x plus 22 plus 71 equals 180. X plus 93 equals 180. And so x equals 97, 87, right? 87. So this is 87 degrees. Notice it looks a little less than a right angle, and that number is a little less than 90. Now, what else do we need? Well, we're going to need these 2 guys out here. Notice once we find one, we will have the other because they are alternate exterior angles. How will we find those? Here's something I notice. This is a triangle. Those 3 angles that are in there will add up to 180 degrees. Let's find those angles. This one right here, by vertical angles, is 71. I can do better. This one right here, watch this. Those are a linear pair. 180 minus 129 equals, I believe, 51. This is 51 degrees. Let's call this little angle in here theta, and let's find it. Those 3 angles, the 3 angles of this triangle, have to add up to 180 degrees. So 51 plus 71 plus theta equals 180. So 122 plus theta equals 180. So theta equals 58. So that thing in there is 58 degrees. This is vertical to it, so it also is 58 degrees. Alternate exterior angles, 58 degrees, and we're done.